Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to add texts and annotations in Revit. Annotations such as texts, notes, and dimensions can be added to any views and sheets. To add texts and notes. Step 1. Open a view from sheet by double-clicking the view. On the view, click Text from Annotate tab, under Text panel. Select a text type from Properties panel. Drag and drop to make a text box. Add text. Note: if you need a different style of text type, you can duplicate the type and edit. Step 2. Add a leader line or lines by clicking the leader icon from the Modify tab. Adjust arrow direction and the leader line. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to add texts and annotations in Revit. Thank you.